Hi everyone! Let's go ahead and walk through how to add a product overview page to your Best Company profile. Today I will be using our demo account to explain how to do this. First, log into your Best Company account, then navigate to the Company Profile Builder on the left. Towards the top of your profile, you will see the Add Product Overview Page section. Go ahead and click on that, and then click the Add Product button. First, we will choose a product image from our files. Then we will give our product a name, a subtitle, and a description. Next, enter the price of the product and how often the customer will need to pay. Then click Submit. You will notice that the product is pending. That is because changes may take up to 2 business days to be approved and published to your profile page. Now, just so we have a couple of products to work with, I'm going to add a few more. Perfect. Now that we have a couple of products to work with, I'm going to show you how to reorder them so they appear in the correct order on your profile page. First, click and hold the 6 dots to the left of the product, then drag it and drop it wherever you would like it. Next, let's walk through how to edit product information. First, find the product that you would like to edit, then click the pencil icon to the right of the product. Now you can make any changes that you would like. I'm just going to change the product name for this one. And then click Save Changes. Great, now that we have reordered the products and edited the information, we will wait for them to be approved. Okay, now let's go ahead and refresh the page to see if they have been approved. Perfect, you can see to the right that the status has been changed from pending to approved. Now, to see what the product overview page looks like on your profile, open up a new tab and go to bestcompany.com and find your profile page. This is an example of a home security company who has a product overview page on their profile. At the top of the profile, you will see tabs that help customers navigate the profile. The far right tab says Product Overview. Go ahead and click on that. And now you're on the product overview page. You can see the product images, titles, subtitles, and descriptions. If you would ever like to delete one of the products from your page, go back to your Best Company account, navigate back to the Company Profile Builder on the left, click the Edit button next to Product Overview, find the product that you would like to delete, and then click the trash can icon to the right. Perfect. Hopefully this has been helpful. Good luck adding a product overview page to your Best Company profile.